Alright, family, and welcome back. Today we're going to dive into another Charlotte home tour. And this one is in the University Research Park area. If you've been following along, you know that I have a little list of must-haves. I need to have at least 3 bedrooms, a nice kitchen, a good sized closet, good lighting, hardwood floors, modern finishes and appliances, no more than 2 levels, a safe community, amenities on property or nearby. I'd love to have a backyard, though I know that that's not a must-have, but I'd love to find somewhere with a backyard. And I'd also like to get somewhere with either a garage or some kind of storage. So like I mentioned, I'm looking for a 3-bedroom house, and one of those bedrooms will be used for an office while the other 2 are going to be used for actual bedrooms. And even though I have this list of things that I want, I'm still very open-minded because I know things can go anyway, and I want to be able to see everything so that I can make an informed decision. This particular spot that we're about to tour has a 3-bedroom layout, but the catch is that the 3 bedrooms will not be available until a month and a half from now. Right now, all they have are 2-bedroom apartments, but the cool thing is that their 2 bedrooms also come with a den area, an additional space, which can be used for an office. So it technically could be a 3-bedroom because that's what I'd be using my 3rd bedroom for, an office. So it technically could work. But like I said, I'm being very open-minded. I haven't seen it as yet. So I'm going in with an open mind and see what happens. It just may still check the boxes. So let's not waste any more time. Let's go check out this place. But first, let's view the amenities.
So this is our clubhouse. This is where we host all of our residential events as well. You can utilize this space area during business hours. Unfortunately, not after hours, just because our rooms don't lock. So you guys would have access to the offices. But it is in the works that they're going to fob that, and then eventually you guys can utilize the space.
So what about on Sundays?
We're open on Sundays 1 to 5.
Okay.
So you can utilize it during that time.
Okay.
And then we have work pods as well that you can use first come, first serve.
Oh, these are cool. These are little mini office spaces where you can come to do some work when you don't feel like being in your actual apartment. I absolutely love the aesthetic. It definitely feels like somewhere that I could get some work done. I just hate the fact that these spaces are only available during office hours. So if I want to get some work done in the late evening or night, it's a no-no. But the good thing is that she did say that in 2026, they're going to make the space available for residents to come outside of their business hours. But you know, that's 2026. That's next year. That's far. But it's beautiful though.
At some point, it was in the works for 2026. They're going to fob those doors, so then you guys will be able to utilize it after hours.
Gotcha.
This is our grill space area. We'll kind of do like a circle and then pass through the pool area, and then we'll cross because the model is on the opposite side right there.
Gotcha.
Our grills are there's a line for propane, so you guys don't ever have to worry about it because the line gets filled monthly by the city. So you just click the red button and it cleans up, as well as the fireplace. It works too.
Are there any gas grills on property?
No, we don't allow them. You can't.
Oh, I mean charcoal grills. Sorry.
No, they don't allow it.
No charcoal.
It's usually a fire hazard, so they don't allow you to. You can utilize these. I think it's on your lease. It states that you can't have them. The fireplace also is. You just click the button and it flames up. It works, which is really nice at nighttime during the winter. We have spaces for hangout as well as a lounge area. We have another fireplace here. This is more of a roundabout fireplace also used. I'll release the emergency line and then it flames up for you.
Oh.
That's a
Another
fireplace.
fire spot.
Yeah, lots of fire spots.
Yes. Throughout the property we have little seating areas. Our dumpsters are all the way to the end, so you guys never have a view of the trash or any compactor issues. We're a gated community, so you would have a fob to get in.
Gotcha.
Both sides, there's a sticker you would receive for your car, and that is a sensor and opens it for you. If you guys have ever any guests, there's a box up front. They call you and then you let them in. We use Amazon hubs for packages, and then we have our certified mail right here. And then we have a package room for any large packages that don't fit in there. They usually generate a code for you, and then you just come pick up your package.
Okay.
Oh, is that a tennis court?
Yeah, we have a pickleball.
Pickleball court? Well, pickleball getting real popular these days.
You saw the pickleball. We have the equipment for it. It's on a first come, first serve. You would just ask for it and we can give it to you. We'll go through here and we'll go into the back out area. This is our gym. The gym is 24/7 as well as all your other amenities. We have equipment here. This is kind of the yoga spot area. We have TVs and there's a wall. There's a screen on the wall that you can monitor the music or TV.
Gym feels good.
Spots, towels get stocked up every weekend. We're washing them now, but there's usually towels there. And we have waters there as well. We're doing restocks as we go.
Okay.
Those run pretty quick. You have your bathrooms to the gym area through here, and then your water refill through there.
Oh, it's a pretty big pool.
Yeah. It's an Olympic pool. So it's usually the biggest pool that they make for the community. And we're open in the pool dawn to dusk, but it is open year round. So if you wanted to swim in the winter, you can. It's not heated now. I was gonna say it's not heated, but usually licensed nowadays are set for all year round. Some people like to utilize it in the cold, where it them.
It's
We
big.
have cabanas in the back, seating areas as well as egg chairs in the back. And then we have bathrooms for the pools itself. We usually ask for you guys to use those because those floors are water resistant.
Gotcha.
Compared to the ones inside, they're not slip resistant. We have a dog park here. We also have another dog park at the other end.
Okay, that's cool.
And then towards the townhome, there's like a little swing area for you to sit at with a chair, which is really nice.
Is
like
there
a bench.
any like kiddies play area?
Unfortunately, not on this property, no. We do have garages though that you can utilize. It's $150 per garage. And then we, like I stated, you have reserve parking, but we don't really have parking issues just because there's 347 apartments, but there's 504 spots.
Gotcha.
So there should be more than enough. We calculate 2 vehicles per apartment. Not stating you can't have more, but just get an idea of what it would be like.
Quick little pause because this portion of today's video is sponsored by Jimble's Must Grow Hair Growth Oil, Jimble's Herbal Infused Body Oil, and Jimble's All Natural Jamaican Black Castor Oil. If you haven't gotten your hands on any of these already, I encourage you to head to www.jimblein.com. And just a quick rundown, the Must Grow Hair Growth Oil is a powerful blend of 5 natural oils that have been infused with 31 Ayurvedic herbs. And these are herbs that are known to stimulate hair growth, to fill in bald patches, to reduce shedding, and just to let you have an overall healthy hair growth journey. We're talking about herbs like neem, moringa, ashwagandha, amla, fenugreek, nettle leaves, and so many more. Check it out if you have thinning edges, if your hair just not doing what you'd love it to do. If you want to get that healthy, natural hair, the Must Grow Hair Growth Oil is the one for you. www.jimblein.com. And you can also pair it with our Jamaican Black Castor Oil, which is traditionally made in Jamaica the way our grandparents have made it for years, by roasting the castor beans and boiling it and skim off the oil off the top. You know, that way where that gives you that nutty aroma that you know from country. Yeah, Jamaican Black Castor Oil. People use it for many different things, for the hair, for the skin, for the gut. It's on the website www.jimblein.com. And also, Herbal Infused Body Oil. This is an oil that you apply after shower to glow up, to be moisturized, to be hydrated. This particular one is a sensitive skin body oil, perfect for people who have fragrance allergies because there's no fragrance in it. For people who have skin sensitivities, so people who don't want the bugger. All this has is a powerful blend of oils, and it's infused with 5 herbs that are known for improving skin quality. These are herbs like calendula, lavender, chamomile, dandelion, and the good old cerasee that we know for drink, the bitter cerasee. It's good for the inside, it's also good for the outside. It's infused in this body oil and all our body oils. This happens to be the one that has no fragrance at all. So if you want to glow, if you want to feel good, if you want to be doing something good for your skin while you're feeling good and looking good, this is definitely for you. www.jimblein.com. All right, let's get back into the video.
So all floor plans will have this. The only thing is with the 3 bedrooms, it is a larger one and it has an actual bench for you to put things in.
Okay.
This floor plan only has, this specific has the shelves.
I love the show. Oh, I love this art.
So then to the left, you have a little den.
Ah. Okay, so it's 2-bedroom and a den. This is cool. That is cool.
Oops, sorry. This is our HVAC room, so you don't really have access to that, but that's just where your water heater is at.
Gotcha.
And then if you leave this way, this is your, I guess, guest bathroom. All apartments will have finished touches the way this one does. The shower for the second bedrooms or the second bathrooms will be the same. You'll have the all finished black touches. They're very similar concepts, just you're adding an extra room, and the floor plan originally does change.
Gotcha.
This is guest bathroom or guest
bedroom.
Excuse me. And then you have a walk-in closet when you turn to the right.
I love that it has a walk-in closet and it's big and long.
All of our bedrooms and all floor plans do have carpet,
Okay.
and it will be this light color for the bedrooms.
Gotcha.
Everything else throughout the apartment is floor.
I love the art in here.
Yeah. The interior design is the same from the office. They're very earthy.
Yeah.
That's kind of.
I love the curtains too.
On deals usually try to have earthy atmospheres.
Oh, yeah.
Then you're in your main center of your kitchen. Appliances will all be the same in the 3-bedroom as well. So the double doors, dishwasher, flat stove top, and microwave scanning steel. And the countertops will be the same as well as far as color.
Is there space in that fridge?
Well, that,
Oh yeah. Okay.
So you can take whatever you want in that fridge.
Word.
It's they're called a surprise fridge.
Have you ever had this?
It's a coffee. Yeah, they're good.
You've had you
Yes.
sure?
If
What?
you're a coffee person, then yes.
Started all coffee?
Oh, it's like alcohol.
No, they're not. They're mocktails.
And you guys have limes for lemonade?
You have to stage it as it's like someone living in
Would live in there. Yeah.
Makes sense.
Usually every tour that you have should have a surprise fridge. Normally they do. Unless you're viewing the actual apartment itself.
Gotcha.
This floor plan has your pantry. So this is a pantry. The 3 bedrooms as well have the pantry.
Okay.
What changes with the 3 bedrooms for sure is your washer and dryer. This floor plan only has the side stackables. Any other floor plan has the side-by-side Samsungs.
Gotcha.
And it would be an actual closet, not just a little den spot.
I love how they decorated it to fit a dining table around here.
In the floor plan itself, if you look on the website, it's meant for it to be a dining and a kitchen area all in one. It's kind of an open layout floor plan. They try to build it like if it's a house.
Our couch is way too big for here though.
The 3 bedrooms realistically have more space. You're removing the dining room and making it a bigger living room.
Gotcha. Okay.
Then you're in your main bedroom.
Right? The decoration looks good.
This is your main bedroom. And then you have your main restroom.
It looks cozy and I love the art. I just love art. Like beautiful art. The interior decorator did a good job.
We use all, this is the same one for all development Great Start facilities. They know what they're doing for sure.
Yeah.
Then you have your main
Ooh,
bedroom,
that's
stand-up
cool.
shower.
Oh, this is huge.
Double seat.
This is,
Standing right here, I didn't even notice.
I love
Huge
this.
mirror.
Yeah, I love the black.
You would have that in the 3 if you were to go for the 3. It's the same finish touches. And then you would have walk-in closets.
And it's a huge
Shower.
shower.
Double wipes.
Alright.
I'll put it on right on the kitchen.
I love how big the closet is. So which side would you take? This side.
I already know.
This side is my side, the bigger side. More space, more storage. But yeah, this is cool. It looks good. I love the black finish.
Yeah, it gives it a nice tone.
This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath.
Yep.
$22.97
Correct.
plus the amenity fees.
Yeah, the 115.
Gotcha. But I didn't see out here. Okay. Little balcony area.
So the 3 bedrooms have a pool of trash.
So like I mentioned, this is a 2-bedroom unit with an extra den space that can be used for an office. So it technically ticks the 3-bedroom box for me. As for the other things on my wish list, it has a nice kitchen, it has a good sized closet, there's good lighting, there's hardwood floors, but it's not the entire apartment. But there's hardwood floors for the most part. There are modern finishes and appliances. It's only 1 level, so there's no up and down the stairs, no more than 2 levels, like I mentioned. It is located in a safe community. As you saw, there are amenities on property. There's no backyard and there's no garage, but they have storage space for an additional $150. Right? So cons, it's not a 3-bedroom, even though it could work as a 3-bedroom. The other con is that this living room space for me is too tight. I have a big couch, a large couch, and it just won't fit. So I don't know if that space could work. I am thinking of getting a new couch eventually, so could technically get a smaller couch now. But for right now, the couch that I have, it wouldn't work. And overall, I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. What do you guys think of this space? Comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I'd love to know what you think. Do you think it's worth it? And also, you know what I want? I'd love for you guys to compare it to like other places in the city that you live or the country that you live, and tell me like what are some of the pros and the cons. How is it on cost where you are, in the state that you are in, and things like that. You know, I know I've seen your comments and I see that there are a lot of people looking for places, and I see that there are a lot of people looking to move to Charlotte, and these videos have been helpful to them, so big up you. And I know some of us just like to look at homes, no matter where it is, no matter what it is, so I'm here for it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here on this journey with me. It's an exciting one. And also, if you're in the Charlotte area, can you tell me where can I get white rum and Magnum? Thanks. And before we go, just remember to head over to www.jimbalin.com to get your all-natural hair and skincare products. From your Must Grow hair growth oil to growing their edges, to your Jamaican black castor oil, which is also good for your hair and your skin, and some people use it for their gut. You have your body oils, which are good for your skin. You have body butters, you have herbal soaps, you have all kind of things. www.jimbalin.com. All right, I'll see you on Sunday for another home tour. Bye.
Rochielin traveling the 4 corner. Rochielin vlogging on no border. Rochielin plant a man banana. Rochielin vlogging on no drama. Rochielin, 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 Rochielin. Like, share, subscribe. Rochielin, 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 Rochielin. Channel the worldwide.
Rochielin.